This How to 1 Minute will show you how to stream Disney Plus on Discord. First of all, open your Discord and open the server where you want to stream your Disney Plus. And make sure to open your Disney Plus at the same time. And here you'll get this voice channel section. Inside of this section, click on General. Click on Share Your Screen. And select the tab or window where you are watching Disney Plus. And you can take this Share Audio tab to share your Disney Plus audio. Click on Share. And that's how you will be able to stream your Disney Plus on Discord. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.